Hello all, welcome to Technician Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, let's do the unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy A51. As you can see this is a retail unit of the Samsung Galaxy A51. So here the price is mentioned as 30,000, but it will be available for 28,000 for 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. And it shows the net quantity in the box, what are the charges and earphones provided. See this one, its manufacturing date is also May 2020. It was released on I think February 2020. And as the top of the box, you can see this one, it is Prism Crush black color I have here, and with a RAM of 8GB and 128 internal storage. Let's unbox this and see the review of this Samsung Galaxy A51. Firstly, you can see this is a warranty information and quick start guide here, and there is a guidebook, and let's keep it aside. Here is the Samsung Galaxy A51 mobile. Let's keep it aside and let's check these earphones. They are providing earphones. This is in-ear type earphones, so they are good quality. See this one, they are giving in-ear type Samsung earphones, so there is a benefit of this. And this is a type C charger. See this one, they are providing type C charger for this Samsung Galaxy A51. And there is a power adapter here, which is of 9 volts 1.67 amperes, nearly 18 watts fast charger. And let's put this aside and let's see the case of the mobile. See this one, they are providing SIM ejector pin here, and there is a case inside this box. Let's see this one. This is not a transparent case, but I kinda like of this case, like this one, quality of the case. And see this one, this is the Samsung Galaxy A51 mobile, which is black color. I am putting this case so we can see this one. The color of the back side of mobile is disturbing, so I am removing this case. This phone comes with polycarbonate backside, and there is a Corning Gorilla Glass at 5 at top of the mobile. See this one, at the bottom of this there is headset, and there is a type C cable and active noise cancellation mic, and there is a speaker here. And there is a another active cancellation mic is here. There is quad camera at the back side of the mobile, and front side there is a punch hole type camera. I am booting this mobile. I am using this mobile for 1 week. See this one, Samsung Galaxy A51 powered by Knox Security. See this one. Let's see the specifications of this mobile. Samsung Galaxy A51 specifications. It comes with 6.5-inch Full HD plus Infinity O Super AMOLED screen with octa-core Exynos 9611 processor, which is 10 nanometer processor, with Mali G72 graphics. It comes with two variants with 6GB and 8GB RAM with 128 internal storage, expandable up to 512GB with micro SD card. And it comes with Android 10 with Samsung One UI 2.0 with 48 megapixel rear camera with LED flash f2.2 aperture and 12 megapixel 123-degree ultra wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture. And there is a 5 megapixel depth sensor with f2.2 aperture and 5 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture. And there is a 32 megapixel front camera with f2.2 aperture. And we can notice there is a in-display fingerprint sensor and Dolby Atmos support and NFC support with 4000 mAh battery, 15 watts fast charging. Let's see mobile. It got booted. See this one, Samsung. And see this one, the quad camera. I like this quad camera. There is 48 megapixel main camera, flashlight here. Yeah, it got booted. Let's unlock this device. See this one, the phone gets unlocked. See this one, the phone restarted. Firstly, see this one, it's come with One UI 2.0 and there is software update here, so One UI 2.1. Slightly small bloatware is here, and let's check it. Settings and Android version. Settings, go to about phone. See this one, software information here is, check this out. Here you can see this, it runs on Android 10 and with One UI 2.1. See this one, One UI version 2.1. Let's go back and see this one, it runs on One UI 2.1 and it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and there is a dedicated slot for this mobile, so you can put 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. Let's go back. See this one, let's check out the fingerprint sensor, how fast a fingerprint sensor is. See this one, unlocked. Once unlocked, it's a bit of slow. Yeah, we know that Samsung fingerprint sensors are a bit of slow. And let's check also face unlock for this mobile. See this one, it got unlocked. You can notice there is an animation around the camera. See this one, while unlocking the mobile by using face unlock. See this one, there is an animation here like circular. Coming to the camera department, see this one, there is a wide angle camera here. I am opening this camera, this is wide angle, and there is a video, ultra focus and live focus. See this one, let's check out how quality, what is the quality of video. Front camera we can record 4K, oh, which is good one, and back camera also we can record up to 4K resolution. And there is a video stabilization is here, and there are many customization options here. See this one, I like this camera. We can have a live focus, single take, and there is a more option here. Let's check this one. At the more option you can have pro mode, panorama, macro shot, food, night, color, and slow motion, night, hyperlapse. And there is a AR emoji for Samsung mobiles also. They will give AR zone for only Samsung A series, and there is a Bixby Vision also here. So let's check this one. This is camera sample, daylight condition, and this is also daylight condition camera sample, and this is wide angle camera sample, and this is also wide angle camera sample. This is a macro shot, and this one is also macro shot. See this one, and this is front camera sample, front camera portrait shot, and there is front camera wide angle sample. This is the back camera sample of the Samsung Galaxy A51. This is a video sample of Samsung A50 front face camera. This is a slow motion of the Samsung Galaxy A51. See this one, 1080p 240 fps. See this one, and this is the super slow motion of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Coming to the sensors, let's open this CPZ app. We can have detailed information and check these sensors. These have magnetometer sensor, accelerometer sensor, gyroscope sensor. All sensors are given. And let's check it DRM info. This is wideband L1 supported, so we can able to stream Netflix, Amazon Prime HD in HD quality. I'll show you front camera. See this one. There is a wide angle camera for this front camera sample. See this one. You can have live focus and single take video option. See this one. Many options are here. I like the Samsung because it's customization of the One UI. See this one. And let's check out a video sample. It comes with Super AMOLED display, so I like the video quality of the Samsung Super AMOLED display. I have a video sample. See this one. Samsung displays are amazing. See this one. It's a Super AMOLED display, so we can able to see the quality of the every pixel of the video clearly and detailedly. See this one. How good is this? We will do this video on displays, so subscribe to our channel to get latest information about technologies. See this one. Every pixel of the video is clearly gets seen. And coming to the audio section, I will make you hear a song. See this one. Let's hear.
పానీయద మీద ఉండేటి ఘమఘమ గంధాలు సందా మామయ్యలో నారైక మూడి మీద రాలిన సాలయ్య రంగా రామయ్యలో పాని నడుముకు ఉండేటి బిళ్ళల మొలతాడు సందా మామయ్యలో.
Audio quality is so good. And let's check out. It has an NFC support here, and there is a support of Dolby Atmos for this mobile. See this one. This sound effects works only for Bluetooth and earphone devices. Let's open this. We can have various customization options here for the music. And as coming to the PUBG review, it supports HDR Ultra graphics. See this one. I'll show you the quality. HDR and Ultra. Yeah. After continuously playing this PUBG for 2 hours, the phone gets heated and getting lagged. So PUBG is decent in this mobile. And as coming to the review, this mobile is good for official purpose and office purpose, and I think this mobile is too bit overpriced, and there are many competitors in this mobile segment like Poco X2 and Realme X3, etc. Check this one, and I will give the Amazon link for this mobile in the description. Check out this mobile, and there is 3 variants available in this mobile. As coming to the review, I will give the rating for 4 out of 5. See this one. PUBG Play. You can notice some lags are here because it's a Exynos 9611 processor. So that's all for guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up and write any comment and share our video.